Hey guys, Page here. I want to go over your audience with you real quick. So, if you try to please everyone, we're going to use politics as an example, but it's much bigger than this. So let's say you want to please everyone and you want everyone's support on all sides of the political spectrum. So if that's the case, then you need to be pro-guns, anti-guns, pro-freedom, anti-freedom, pro-tyranny, anti-tyranny, pro-capitalism, anti-capitalism, so on and so forth. You get the idea. Because if you're the entire political spectrum, then that means you have the radical left, the radical right, the radical top, the radical bottom. You've got everyone that you're trying to appease. If that's the case, either one, they're going to see you as a complete phony because you can't be pro and against the same thing very realistically. Or B, they're going to just not associate with you. They're not going to relate to you. They're not going to understand you. They'll just be very confused. So if you genuinely are for freedom and anti-freedom, then they're going to be very confused that they don't understand who you are, what is your brand, what's your gain, and they just won't want to deal with you. But instead, if you pick a small pocket of things that you want to vehemently support and be a part of, and then focus on the other people that care about those same things. So if you want to be an environmental, gun-toting, freedom-loving capitalist, go for it. And you do that, and then you find other people who have the same values and beliefs, and you bring them into your fold, and that's your community, and those are the people that you care about. You're going to have 90% of the world who's going to disagree with you, and that's fine, because they're going to go find other people and other businesses that they want to interact with and work with. But you want to find your pocket of people that are going to love your brand, love you as a business, and want to be a part of it long term, and then share that brand with other people. So the more focused you are and the more deliberate you are in creating your niche and focusing on finding your target audience and bringing them into your fold, the more successful you're going to be over the long term. My name is Page Ollice, and good luck with your business.